Meaning of inescapable.
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 Inescapable. The word inescapable refers to something that cannot be avoided or evaded. It indicates a situation or circumstance that is inevitable and cannot be prevented or ignored. For instance, death is an inescapable reality for all living beings. Similarly, the impact of climate change on our planet is also becoming increasingly inescapable. The consequences of inescapable situations are often far-reaching and have significant impacts on individuals, societies, and the environment. Therefore, it is important to acknowledge and address such situations proactively to minimize their negative effects.